Sendinblue Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we're reviewing the Sendinblue Affiliate Program, a great way to earn commissions by promoting one of the most powerful email marketing and automation platforms available. Links to the program and products are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Sendinblue is an all-in-one marketing platform that provides email marketing, SMS campaigns, CRM, automation, and transactional emails. It's widely used by businesses, e-commerce stores, digital marketers, and entrepreneurs who need a cost-effective and feature-rich solution for their marketing needs. The Sendinblue Affiliate Program offers a two-tier commission structure. You earn €5 for every free sign-up and €100 for every paying customer who subscribes to a premium plan. This is one of the most competitive commission models in the email marketing space, as you can generate earnings even if users don't immediately purchase a plan. The cookie duration is 90 days, giving you a long window to convert your referrals into paying customers. The program is managed through Tapfiliate, where affiliates get access to tracking tools, marketing materials, and real-time performance insights. The freemium model of Sendinblue makes it an easy sell, as users can start for free with generous limits on emails and contacts. Once they experience the platform's advanced features, such as marketing automation, A/B testing, segmentation, and SMS marketing, many upgrade to a paid plan. This affiliate program is ideal for bloggers, content creators, digital marketers, and agencies who cater to businesses looking for an affordable and scalable marketing solution. Compared to competitors like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, Sendinblue offers better pricing, advanced automation, and multi-channel marketing features, making it an attractive option for users. If your audience is interested in email marketing, lead generation, or marketing automation, this program can be a high-converting opportunity. Overall, the Sendinblue Affiliate Program is a top choice for affiliates looking to promote a high-quality product with great commissions and a strong brand reputation. If you're ready to start earning, check out the links in the description and sign up today.